Welcome back. Not a firearm, SAR USA. So my SAR 9X. So let's see what this baby's looking like. I already took it out the box, but just so y'all see how it came. It's the SAR 9X. So hit that. Of course, to send you a lock.
Couldn't pass up the
Yeah, like
Black
that is
Friday
shipped
deal.
with, mag holders, one extra mag. I need another one though, and it has a holster and a freaking flashlight. So yeah, but I don't really care about that. This is what we want to talk about. So the SAR 9X. Yep, iron sights, adjustable rear, safety, of course. I did a few things to it, but we'll get into all of that and when I go over the gun. But this is what she looked like out the box. So it's a 17 round mag, and then we have plus 2, so this is 19 round mag. Of course, hard holster and shipped with a couple of back straps, small, medium, large. I have the large one on there, and a couple of side panels, grip panels. So that's what we have in the box. HKVP9 is all black, so you can see how similar they are. Even the grip pattern is the same, but the slide is different. SAR 9X. So I got me a new gun. Yep, 9mm. I'm intending it. Well, I have actually carried this already, so I've started carrying it. And is it a Glock killer or no? From the very looks of it, it looks like a HKVP9 on the frame side, and then on the slide, you look like a Glock 17. So let's dig right into it and see what the similarities are and how different it is. I'm actually gonna take this out to the range, and I'm gonna compare it against the HKVP9 and against my Glock Shadow Systems. I don't have a Glock 17 completed at the moment, but as you can see, it's the identical length of a Glock 17. So, Glock 17 slide. So if you look at this little slide side by side, it's clearly a Glock slide. So one thing I notice on the Glocks, it's a little thicker on that feed ramp where it loads the round into the chamber. It's a little thicker on there on the Glock, but other than that, it's cut like a Gen 3 Glock, but on the front it's Gen 5. So I'll compare the frame to a Gen 5 frame. But that's what we have. So for this Glock 17 coming, I'm building this. Something I'm working on. So basically, so we have Shadow Systems Glock 34, and of course the SAR USA 9X. So of course the shadow system is longer because the SAR would be a Glock 17. And if you look in the frames, what you see, almost identical. Actually, there's no real difference in there. So they'll have, I'm assuming it works with Glock parts. I know I tried my Glock 19 slide on it and it wouldn't work because this ejector, it's positioned differently from the Glocks. So I think that's why the slide wouldn't work. But if you can see that, the ejector is kind of bent differently from the Glocks. But I'm going to show you some pop-ups of the HK versus the SAR, and we'll take it out to the ranges, see how it do, and then we'll come back and get everything together. A few things out of the gate. What I like, this it's really similar to a Glock except for the safety. Everything else is pretty much almost identical to the Glock. What I like though, this slide takedown, this slide release, it's a lot easier to actuate opposed to these Glocky ones. I like that better. I like this. I like this angle, and of course I like these finger grooves. What I've done to it came with the Glock knuckle, so I had to remove that. And I noticed this polymer is a lot harder than some of the polymers that I shave and work with. But it's pretty hard. It's almost, I think it's probably harder than the Glock polymer, but it's pretty sturdy. So I do like that. And I like this customizable grip, so I have it custom to right hand. So the right side is bigger, fits my palm. Get a good grip on it. But yeah, like the adjustable sights, I'm still adjusting it. It's shooting right now slightly to the left. Could be me, but I'm liking the way it shoots. So actually start carrying it, and not that I'm, choosing it over my Glock, but I am actually carrying this until I get me a RXM. So I'm gonna have me a Ruger Glock, but we'll get into that in a different video. So for now, let's get into the ranges. Okay, I'm back at it again. Today I'm working on a couple of things. If we can see this, make sure these things are unloaded.
Alston says checks are free.
Working on this SAR USA. So I want to do a comparison against the HK VP9, which the frame is kind of built off of. And of course, I'm going to go up against the Glock 34. Well, this is Shadow Systems Glock, so they're all pretty similar. So, however, this one, we're rocking iron sights, so we're going to see how that rocks. So we get started right now. Going a few rounds. I don't know how many yards it is, but if I go out any further, I wouldn't be able to see it in the camera, so it'll work right there. So I'm shooting a SAR USA. You guys can see that. I gotta get all the way out. So she's still shooting a little to the left. Has some trigger freeze right there. Oh, the safety keeps riding up. Okay. Those weren't my actual malfunctions. My thumb rode up on the safety, so I'm not used to shooting with the safety. Used to shooting just Glocks. Alright, going for the HK now. So this one do have a red dot. I don't know if it's zeroed, so I doubt whether it's...
I don't know. You know, I don't want to.
So if we were to same distance, pretty much same performance. The HK is bouncing, triggers a little better, but it's a little snappier. So I'll try reloading and go again.
If you got a little thing like that, that's fine. But if that's all you shoot, it's a little stretchy ball. Yeah. You're amazing.
Actually, I'm gonna run the shadow systems at the same yardage. Not gonna change the target. So we're going with the shadow systems this time. Same yards.
Right.
Of course, the shadow system might be tighter because I shoot it more often, so go back out a little bit. So HK shadow systems, and then actually this is the SAR USA shadow systems, and then that's the HK up there. So it's no real big difference in the recoil or anything like that. So I'm gonna reload and take this SAR road for a little bit.
You have a bag or something you want to put that ammo in? I mean the shells?
Oh yes, please. Keep taking it back out. Running low on ammo. Alright, back with the SAR USA. Which max goes in here? So. Center mass. Actually, I'm gonna take this one to the head. So.
Okay. Now, pay. That's even through our. That's you know. That's why such David was sick. Because of that, because of what he did. Little stories like that. Yeah. And we'll do the best. Really?
So that's 15 shots. Kind of bouncing around a lot, but that's me moving around.
You got a real cop on the range.
So HK cinemas.
Hold out here.
Actually, the HK is soft in the trigger. It's hard to tell. Shooting them side by side, it's almost identical. So I'm gonna go with the Glock 34. I'm gonna shoot for that 7 right in the neck.
What the hell else could it be? Yeah, right. They gotta go take care of this.
The 34 is the winner again. But of course, that's my match gun I shoot, so I'll shoot that a lot more than both of these. So might take a couple of shots with the Glock 19X and see something real quick. Same old yardage. Right somewhere there. Okay. Glock 19X. That's so smooth. Where am I holding? I'm going for the 8 stepping on the bottom. Tap rack. Similar shadow system, but I did a lot more work to this Glock, so can't compare. And load a couple more on this just to get some more runs with the SAR USA. And I'm out of ammo, so I'm going for the 9 ring above the bullseye. Oh shit, that's the wrong gun. No, wrong gun, that's the HK. I don't want to shoot that. sorry. Put this shit away.
Down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud.
While I reload, quick shout out to All City Training. I watch a lot of your videos, bro. You help me out a lot. I work on my prep. I share your videos. I really appreciate the show. You do a good job. Thank you.
Yeah, it's cold in here, but I always have a good time with Pistol People. Stop by, check out Steve and the guys in there on the weekends. You have a really good time. I'll have fun over there, so check them out.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud.
Keep mixing up the dose. The SAR and the HK feels the same. So we're still recording. I hope so. Yes. Alright. I'm going for the number 9 above the bullseye. At least I'm holding. There's even a lot to the left. But then it's shooting on the right. It's me. It's not the gun. Alright, my last 4 rounds. I'm out of here. Simple math. I want some more of that. Load up another man.
Yeah, I had to run out to the car, grab me a couple more boxes of ammo, another 200 rounds, so dropping 500 for the day. I'm not touching this other 500 I have, so yes.
Okay, center mass again. Close this. I read that safety again. Put it on right here. You got 3 or 4 in the X ring, 1 in the 8th ring, but all the rest in the 9. So that's how she's shooting. While we got this target, I'm gonna throw some rounds on this head bot, and then I'm done. I keep saying I'm finished, but yeah. Can't come all the way up here and not shoot my saber. I'll put some shots in the head, saber dagger. Not bad. 2 shots off, all the rest in the circle. So all of them pretty much right there. I'll take it back out. Throw some dead center. I think you can still see the target. Center mass. I'll take that one. That's a wrap. So they're all right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, like 7 there, and then the rest is in the X ring. So if you guys can see that, so that would be a wrap. Calling it a day.
Okay, back with this SAR. How's she run? Well, first thing, it ran excellent. The only problem I had with small is my thumb can right in the safeties because some of the bottom of this safety. It was kind of sharp right there, and I changed the grip a little bit because to fit my hand, I had to move the grooves down a little, so I kind of extended it. If you can see that, I'm muscling myself, but yeah, everything is cut off the bottom, move the grooves down. I shaved off some material from off the back here, and I did a lot of shaving in here. Changed this profile, and I did a high undercut. Well, I did a double undercut, and I did a cut right here also. Just easy transition into the trigger. So, but how she shoot? It shot excellent. I'm really pleased with its performance. Another quick note, I like this indicator that indicates that the trigger is armed and ready. It's not necessarily show you that there's a round in the chamber, but that is safe to assume. So, but straight out the gate, the trigger is excellent. I like it. It's pretty similar to the HK's trigger, but the HK is just slightly better. So I'll give the HK that one. And the HK is a little snappier, but that's because the barrel is shorter. I don't have the HK with me. It's a loaner, so I returned that already. But other than that, it shoots pretty much like the HK. So the big question, is it a Glock killer? Out the box, it shoot better than a Glock out the box, but shoots better. I like the ergonomics better. I like the grip better. So yeah, I'll say I like it out the box better than a Glock, but would I choose this over that? Never. So nothing kills a Glock. Glock killer? No. Good shooter? Yes. Carry it even, but I wouldn't pick this over a Glock. It's a Glock. All right, y'all. Thank you for stopping by. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you guys. You know, happy holidays, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's it. SAR 9X.